in on the right for three, and it's good.
17 points per game. He's been absolutely on fire from three. 40.
Goes over the top and flushes it over to Sadazan for three, and it's good. Massillon for the huge slam underneath the hoop.
Energy. It has not been the case as of late. There's a ton of momentum.
Almslayer looking to make a move. He'll be short. With a nice rebound by over to Mackey on the left. Goes up, puts it onto the Mackey underneath the hoop. Back out to Smith for three, and it's good. To Smith at the top of the key. Sadazan for three on the right, and it's good. Gets it down to Almslayer off the glass for
season. Unreal, but for them,
North for three, and it's good. Massillon gets it back out to Smith on the left side for three, and it's good.
Assistant tweeter, we appreciate it. He said, great first half, go Scots. We could not agree.
Flies it across court to North on the left, off the glass for two, it's good. And over to Almslayer, back out to Sadazan for three on the left, and it's good. It's to Smith. Smith out to Sadazan for three on the left, and it's good. Tev's at the top of the key to Sadazan for three on the left, and he's good. Monaco drives in on the center, drives over to Mackey on the right, and it's good.